You know how hurtful it is when you want the best for someone, when you are very loyal to someone, when you really want other people to strive to success, and then they still judge you, they still accuse you, they still say that you are not honest to them, they still say that you are manipulating them, or they still say that you are not a very good human. And it hurts deep inside of you, and you're like, you don't understand why these people can't like you, why these people cannot see the sincerity in you, why these people cannot see the empathy inside of you. And and you can't help but think about it over and over and over again. You can't help but, even if you try to move on to this topic, your brain tells you about it over and over again, and then you are like, maybe there's something is wrong with me, because people are thinking of me this way even if I was loyal to them. People deceived me even if I was loyal to them. People made fun of me even if I was loyal to them. Even if I gave them my best sincere advice, they still mocked me. And then you are like, maybe there's something wrong with me. But let me tell you, you were not created to have people's approval. You were not created to make people like you. You were not created to fit in. You were not created to be likable. Let that sink in for a moment, because that is a harsh reality no one accepts and no one likes to accept. But you know where the real freedom lies? The real freedom lies is being okay with being disliked. It is a courage to be disliked by other people, and then you should have that courage for yourself. Absolutely don't let other people define you. If you are going to allow other people to define you, then you are giving your power to other people, in the hands of other people, and you are telling them to use you however they like. You are just a puppet in their hands, and then they will use the strings to manipulate you and to control you. So be okay with being disliked by people. Be okay with this fact, even if it hurts, even if it hurts, even if that's something that no one teaches you. Be okay with being disliked by other people. If people judge you, if people hate you, if people say bad things about you, if they gossip about you, let them. Your sense of worth comes from inside of you. Nothing outside of you can decide it for yourself. Let me give you an example. You chose a major. For example, you chose a major of computer, okay? And you are really interested in computer, in programming. Someone says this to you that don't choose this major, it is very this and blah blah. And then you're like, but I am interested in this major. If even I don't care if it grants me a good job or not, all I care about is developing something in this field, because that's how much passionate I am. It doesn't matter if I don't do the normal 9 to 5, or I don't get a job. It doesn't matter to me. But they're like, no, you should not do this. And someone else is really appreciate you because you chose computer, because they are a computer genius as well. But let me tell you, your worth does not decrease when someone say that don't choose this major or don't do this, and your worth does not increase when they validate you or when they appreciate you. Your worth is something that comes inside of you, and it doesn't matter if people appreciate it or not. You wrote that poem, someone liked it and someone thought it's a trash. Don't allow those people to tell you that whether it's a masterpiece or it's a trash. Do it for yourself. If you think it's a masterpiece, it doesn't matter if others don't think like that. It doesn't matter if not everyone is complimenting it. And if everyone is saying that it's a trash, I'm not talking about constructive criticism, because it is very important for growth. I'm talking about those people who never want other people to grow, who never want other people to even like take risks. So don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. You don't know how much potential you have. You don't know how much you can achieve. Just because you're afraid of other people, just because you're afraid of their opinions of you, you are holding yourself back. And at the end of the day, it is you who decided, and not someone else, and not anyone else for you, as a matter of fact. Let them be wrong about you, let them misunderstand you, let them not like you. Your worth does not decrease if they don't like you. Your worth does not increase if they do like you. Do you understand? Well, your goal is to create something to help humanity, to give humanity that art that it needs. Like, you don't know how much your art can comfort someone, how much it can help them in their darkest movement. So it doesn't matter if they like it or if they don't like it. What matters is you do it, regardless of any external validation or regardless of any external criticism. And of course, I'm not talking about creative criticism here, okay? I have learned this wisdom that when you do something, don't expect anything in return from that person. Because we are humans, we tend to expect things. If they give it back to you in some ways, thank you so much. But if they don't even appreciate you, if they don't even say a simple thank you, or if they start to judge your intention, then let them. Don't waste your energy, your precious energy, onto these people. Your energy is something that you should really be careful about. If you are going to give them that reaction that they are craving, because they are so miserable in their life and they want something to change that misery for them, to be their source of dopamine, to be their source of drama, but you don't want that in your life. So since you don't want it, you just ignore these energies, you ignore these people, and you still, like, don't let their darkness make you a dark person. Don't let their darkness hate your light. Be the light, even if no one appreciates your light, even if people are uncomfortable in your light, even if people don't thank you for being the light, even if in their lives. So your mission here is not to be, to crave their validation. Your mission is different. Your mission is to be that light regardless if someone likes it or not. I really like this quote. Moon shines whether someone admires him or not, so should you. Don't write poetry for the sake of appreciation. Don't draw that art for the sake of validation. Don't do something for the sake of external validation, and don't stop it when people hate you, or when people cancel you, or when people don't see it. Because your mission should be something greater than yourself, greater than yourself. Then the fame, money, sport, fandom, these all are cherry on top. These all are things that will be a byproduct of who you will become, but not your sole purpose. Your sole purpose is to help and uplift others. If these things come to you, then they are just a byproduct of it. They are a gift by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah saw that how much you helped people, so Allah gave these gifts to you. And even if you don't have them yet, that doesn't mean that Allah hates you or anything. Like, don't think in this way. It means that Allah is just preparing you for it, so you can, when you are on that level, you don't get afraid, because you don't know how much Allah has planned for you yet. Don't become scared. And this is something that I have been thinking. You don't look good in this picture, people delete that picture. If someone says that does not look good on you, and whether you really like that style, people stop wearing it. Why you are doing it for the sake of approval? You should do it because you like it. And I always say this, if it is not something that is against Islamic boundaries, then you should definitely do it. If it is something that Allah allows it, then people are no one to stop you. If Allah allowed it to you, then do it. Like, our society has created so much restrictions onto ourselves, so much limitations, and then we have to fit in a box. Don't limit yourself, don't prison yourself in a box. Become free, like, be in the boundaries of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but not in the boundaries of society. That is the rule that I live by, and my life has become so much better. I cannot say it in words. Take those steps for myself, and refusing to care about what other people say. If they like it, thank you. If they don't, okay. But my mission here is not to please you. My mission here is to help you. So whether you like it or not, I'm going to do it because that is my mission. So make your intention like this become so powerful that other people cannot break you. That was really cool. That was really cool. I really enjoyed making this video. Nowadays, like there's something wrong with my camera. I don't like the way it blinks when I'm filming a video. Like I'm really passionate about helping people. So I was like, just I don't really care if I don't even have those expensive cameras. I just want to help, and I hope the message resonated with you, and I hope you learned something from it. And I love you for the sake of Allah. Please start believing in yourself and refuse to care about if people like you or not. Like really, that is such a limited mindset. Like free yourself from these limitations. Don't fit in that box. Even if people approve of it or not, see what Allah approves of it and do it. Whether people hate it or like it, do it for you, or do it do it for helping thousands and millions, and even one life, even one soul matters so much. Okay, bye. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video.